Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozo Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Today I'm bringing you sad news. Njengoba soshile emhlabeni veteran actor uDone wakamlangeni uDone wakamlangeni sishiye emhlabeni namhla ngo-April mhla tingu 16, as it's 16 or 17 today, I'm not sure, but usishiye namuhla. uDon Mlangeni besimati kakhulu guys, samati futhi adlala uBrazep Matabane in Isidingo ngileti khathi tabo 1980s wadlala irole yalaqasha laphana kuSgood is Nice. Asimati futhi ngerole yakhe lebekayidlala laphayana ku-Uzalo, ku-The River, ku-The Throne, Savage Beauty. U-acte njena kwema-soapies lamaningi ngendlela lesimanga, and bala baningi beve buhlungu ngendlela lesimanga ngemva kokuthi umndeni wakhe ukhiphe statement sokusitshela ukuthi sosishiyile emhlabeni. Lekuthuse abantu abaningi ngendlela lesimanga because azange sive nokuva kokuthi mhlambe uyagula or usesibhedlela or uphathekile. So leti ndzaba leti they came as a shock to most people. Lokhu bashiyeke ukuthi tinhlitiyo tibe tibuhlungu tiphukile. Ithi imindeni yakhe ubabdoni iyaqela nkosi yami kokuthi nibanike space kulesikhathi alisi lesimatima. Bayasho futhi ukuthi ma-details emgqwabo atolandzela since asengakakhishwa. Guys, kwendakalani? Hayi cha mhlaba impela awunoni. May his soul rest in peace. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.